Hello students, today we will study about universal gates. Universal gates. So NAND gates and NOR gate are called as universal gates because NAND gate and NOR gates NAND gate and NOR gate are called as universal gates because all other gates can be constructed by using these two gates. By using NAND gate, we can construct AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, etc. And also by using NOR gate, we can construct AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. So these two gates are called as universal gates. Okay, so first we will see by using a NAND gate how to construct NOT gate by using NAND gate. How to construct NOT gate using NAND gate. Using NAND gate. That is not using NAND. Not using NAND. See the logic diagram. So this is the symbol of NAND gate. When both inputs are connected together or shorted, then this is equivalent to NOT gate. This is equivalent to NOT gate. So suppose if A is input, then output Y is equal to A bar. The equation of NOT gate is Y is equal to A bar. So this is a NOT using NAND. This is a NOT using NAND. If A is equal to 0, then output Y is equal to 1. And if A is equal to 1, then output Y is equal to 0. So NOT gate is also called as inverter. NOT gate is also called as inverter. It inverts the input. So if an input is low or 0, output is high or 1. And when input is high, then output is low. See the truth table. If input A and output Y, so Y is equal to A bar. This is output. Now see, if input is 0, that is when A is equal to 0, then output Y is equal to 1. This is called as truth table. If input is 1, then output is 0. Okay, so this is the truth table of NOT gate. So this is a NOT using NAND. NOT using NAND. This is the logic diagram, or by using a NAND gate, NOT gate is constructed. Okay. Now see AND gate using NAND gate. AND using NAND. AND using NAND. And that is AND gate using NAND gate. AND gate using NAND gate. See the logic diagram. Here output of first NAND gate is connected to the input of second NAND gate. Okay. Now if A and B are inputs and Y is output, then Y is equal to A dot B or AB, because the equation of AND gate is Y is equal to A into B. Now see here, this is a NAND gate. This is a NAND gate, and here second NAND gate is used as a NOT gate. Second NAND gate is used as a NOT gate. It acts as an inverter or NOT gate. Okay. Now we know that the equation of NAND gate is Y is equal to AB bar. So here the output will be AB bar. AB bar, and this AB bar is the input of second NAND gate, which is used here as a NOT gate. So this NOT gate will invert this input, and we will get, actually we get y is equal to AB bar and again bar. So bar means plus, so we get here y is equal to bar into bar means plus, so y is equal to A into B. Okay, now see, if A is equal to 0, if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then here we get 0 into 0, 0, and 0 bar means 1, which is the input of this NOT gate. So 1 is inverted by this NOT gate and we will get here 0. Y is equal to 0. See the truth table of AND gate. A and B are inputs and Y is output. See the truth table. When inputs are 0, 0, that is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then output Y is equal to 0. Okay, 0 into 0, 0. Now if input A is 0 and B is 1, then again the output should be 0. So here if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then 1 into 0, 0, and 0 bar means 1. 1 into 0, 0, and 0 bar means 1. And again this 1 is inverted by this NOT gate, we will get here 0. Again for 1, 0, output will be 0, and for 1, 1, when both inputs are high, when both inputs are 1 or high, then see here 1, 1. So 1 into 1, 1, and 1 bar means 0. 1 into 1, 1, and 1 bar means 0. 0 is the input of this NOT gate. Then so this NOT gate will invert this input, which is low or 0, and here we get output Y is equal to 1. So 1, 1, 1. This is the truth table of AND gate. So this is AND using NAND. This is AND using NAND. Here for AND using NAND, 2 NAND gates are required. Second NAND gate is used as a NOT gate. Then third, OR using NAND. OR gate using NAND gate. OR using NAND. OR using NAND. See the logic diagram. So this is the logic diagram of OR using NAND. 3 NAND gates are connected. Here first 2 NAND gates are used here as a NOT gate. Now see here, if input is A, second input is B, then here we get output Y is equal to A plus B. Y is equal to A plus B, because the equation of OR gate is Y is equal to A plus B. Okay, so see how we get Y is equal to A plus B. So here input of first NAND gate is A, and this NAND gate is used as a NOT gate here. So this NOT gate will invert this input. So here we get A bar. Again here we get B bar. Now A bar and B bar are the inputs of third NAND gate. This is a NAND gate. So actually we get here Y is equal to A bar into B bar and whole bar. If inputs are A and B, then we get output Y is equal to AB bar. Because the equation of NAND gate is Y is equal to AB bar. But actually the inputs are A bar and B bar. So Y is equal to A bar dot B bar and whole bar. Now we know that according to De Morgan's theorem, A plus B bar, A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So here we substitute here A bar dot B bar is equal to A plus B bar. a plus b bar and again bar. So bar into bar means plus. So here we get a plus b, which is the equation of OR gate. Now if a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, here we get 1, here we get 1, then 1 y is equal, this is a NAND gate, so here we get y is equal to ab bar means 1 into 1 1 and 1 bar means 0. So when inputs are 0 0, output is 0. See the truth table of OR gate. Truth table of OR gate. Let a and b are inputs and y is output. Then when inputs are 0 0, then output y will be 0 plus 0, that is 0. Okay. Now when inputs are 0 1, then output will be 1, because 0 plus 1 1. Then again when inputs are 1 0, output will be 1. When inputs are 1 1, again output will be 1. Okay. Now suppose input a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. Then here we get 1. Here output of second NOT gate is 0. Because 1 is inverted by this NOT gate, we here get 0. Then 1 and 0 are the inputs of third NAND gate. So 1 into 0, 0 and 0 bar, AB bar. So 0 bar means 1. Okay. Again, in third case, when input A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, again we will get here 1. Now, suppose both inputs are 1 1, that is when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, then this NOT gate will invert this input. So here we get 0. Output of first NOT gate is 0. Output of second NOT gate, it is also 0. Now these 0 0 are the inputs of NAND gate. 0 0 are the inputs of this NAND gate. So we know that the equation of NAND gate is y is equal to AB bar. So 0 into 0 0 and 0 bar means 1. So when inputs are 1 1, output is 1. So this is the truth table of OR gate. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 and 1 plus 1 1. Okay. So this is OR using NAND. Okay. So we will stop here. We will stop here.